First, we need to go to the security app, which is pre-installed on your phone. If you cannot find it in the home screen, you can certainly find it in the app drawer. Once you go to the security app, you will need to scroll down, and over here in common features, you might be able to find hide apps over here. You can even customize that common features section. However, if you cannot find it here, you can just scroll all the way down and then swipe up in order to open this toolbox. And then here we have hide apps option. In my case, I have already 2 apps hidden. You can just tap on these switches in order to decide which apps should be hidden. In the top right corner, we even have settings for hidden apps as option. And if you want to find hidden apps, you need to go to the home screen and you need to spread 2 fingers apart. So for example, something like this. And this is how we can access hidden apps. We can also hide notifications from hidden apps, and we can also use an app lock in addition to that. Check out this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.